So what actually happens when you discard your television or your old computer from home? This is one of several byproducts that come out as a direct result of the recycling of this stuff. Andy Sloops with me.
Hi, Andrew.
How are you doing? Andy's the general manager for the Total Reclaim plant here in Portland, and I've got to ask you, how on earth does all this happen?
Let's go take a look.
Sounds good. So the product comes here. This is the beginning of the process.
Right.
And it's noisy. It's really noisy.
Yes.
So what are they doing here?
Okay. Well, no two TVs are the same. There's hundreds of manufacturers, so these guys have to figure out how to take it apart very quickly. They tear down 8-10 TVs an hour each. They've got to figure out how to take the case off, and then they pull out the circuit board and the wire. They're going to take off the yoke that's on the back of the glass CRT tube there.
Is this safe standing here?
This is somewhat dangerous where we're standing right now. This is a dangerous job.
How do you train these guys? You put them in a gladiator's pen or something, or what?
No, we walk them through the process, and they start slow and they work up to speed.
So they dismantle the televisions here. Now we've got separated products in different bins.
Right. We've got the CRT tubes. Those go to factories that turn them back into new CRT-based products like new monitors. The plastic casings are a principal product that we turn into a finished product here at this facility. We'll do some manual quality control on this material. Then it goes through this machine, which is a grinder. It's ground, and it goes through a process to remove the paper, dust, and things like that, other contaminants. Then we'll take that ground and clean material, and we'll run it through the machine over there, which is called an extruder. When it goes through the hopper, it comes down into this chamber here, where it goes through a series of heaters that progressively bring it up to a melting point, and then it runs through some screens, and it's pushed through a die, which has a series of holes in it that create this spaghetti-like strings, which go through a cooling bath here, and then up through a cutter.
So this is the final product, Andy, right?
Right.
Pellets, plastic pellets that from this point get refined further into the end products we showed you earlier.
Basically, we go from being a waste processor on that side of the facility, a demanufacturer, to being a manufacturer on this side.
That's the whole process, from start to finish, from the used television screen, all the way through the dismantling, all the way through the recycling, to building something fantastic with the end product.